office manager for Mike Rhodes Karate Evolution. We have been in Gaston County since 1994, servicing families in the family martial arts business. We have a great children's program. It's a great place to be if you like to be a part of your children's activities. We have been taking credit cards now for over 10 years, and we were introduced to Kennedy Business Solutions back in February of 2012. One of the things that we really like about Kennedy Business Solutions is it gives us the flexibility to help our clients with payments. So our clients do a recurring payment for their monthly tuition. The flexibility that we have with Kennedy Business Solutions is that if a client needs their payment moved for some reason, we have the flexibility to do that. So it really provides a greater service to our client. The data entry process is very easy. So I can go in and change expiration dates at a touch of a button. I can change credit card information at the touch of a button. In years past, with the credit card solutions that we've used, we have not been able to adjust any payment schedules for our clients, which makes a big difference to our business and a big difference to our clients. Another benefit to working with Kennedy Business Solutions is that I've got a real person to call on when needed. I would recommend Kennedy Business Solutions to other small businesses in the area, regardless of your size. I say small business, but we in Gaston County are small business oriented for the most part. I have spoken to actual clients of ours, parents of ours, who are using Kennedy Business Solutions, and they're very, very happy with them as well as we are.